And -1 is?
Students deserve a classroom where they receive high quality education, where they are involved and they feel part of the class.
I always have a lot of questions about math. Like when I come in, I greet my teacher, I ask her, what are we doing today? Is we doing the same thing? Do we have a test? And I love taking the exit tickets because I know sometimes I might struggle a little bit, but I know when I can do better.
Doing problem solving and doing math in a different way was really hard for me because I had to relinquish control that I felt like I needed to have. I felt like I needed to lead the conversation and I needed every kid to come off of the carpet and they needed to know it. And if they didn't know it, then I was doing something wrong.
You don't always have to get the right answer. Your answer could be wrong, but that is what makes us learn from our mistakes and grow. That's a very important part in math and life too, and a lot of other things.
And I think that math is one of those things that really impacts a student's confidence. And I've seen the confidence in my students grow through the math that they're learning and how they're learning it.
EL education, in its first founding, was looking to solve the problem of how do students learn best. We believe it's by doing, by exploring, by engaging. Now we're stepping fully into mathematics transformation by partnering with schools to start where they're at in embracing what mathematics can be through the EL education lens.
So together, they support me with helping teachers unpack units and understand the math content. They also provided our district with necessary professional development, and they help us create a math framework, a vision, and goals that's aligned to our school and our students.
And now that the students are learning that their other way of thinking about it is valuable, that's what slowly starts to help them understand that they're good at math because their personal way of thinking, their personal way of doing it is actually useful and beneficial.
8 times 3 is 20. Students learn best when they are taking ownership of their own learning, having those rich conversations with others. That's what's going to lead them to a better understanding of whatever math skill we're working on.
Well, I'm not afraid to ask my grandmothers for help. I know they can help me. I know I can help them.
It absolutely impacts the math culture in your school. So it's not just what's happening in the classroom, but it really is the way that people talk and think about mathematics, both teachers and students.
Why I love math is that I get to learn more strategies, and then my brain grows more strategies so I can do those strategies next time.
As a veteran, you feel like you have it, but when you try something new and you're finding things that are different that are working for kids, that's really powerful. And when you can put a voice to it so your other peers hear that too, that's how you affect change.
19, 20.
It's really empowering for the kids because it's not me holding all the knowledge, but the students feeling empowered to share their thinking about math and come up with their own strategies.
So you're 7, 6, and 10, and you're 2 extra.
Raising the bar in terms of mathematics is not just about better test scores. It really is an issue of social justice. It really is ensuring that we are leveling a playing field for students throughout their lives and engaging in rigorous mathematics instruction that they deserve and that is going to support them in being better humans.
Gone are the days our teachers doing all the work in traditional teaching. Students are involved. They feel included in the work. They feel part of the class. They feel that their voice matters and what they think matters.
We are partnering with schools and districts to transform the mathematical identities and skills of staff and students, and we are empowering schools and district educators to lead this work themselves.